Today we talk about how can you enable delivery delete notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to delivery delete, just click in this sign. Then like you see this sign, it's gone. That's mean delivery delete notifications disable enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. In there can you select sounds. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.